Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to download Creality Slicer. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now first what you're going to do is type into the Google Creality, and then let's go to the official web page. So this one for me right here. Now what we are going to do is slide all the way down where you will see support, and then click on download center, just like so, and you will be directly redirected to download section where you will see slicing software. So then select Creality Print or Hallowed Box. So I will select this one, and now here you can select Windows, Mac, or version history. You can also check. So just select this, click it, wait to download, and then install. You just follow the instruction, and after that, when you log in to this Creality, you will see something like that. And I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.